Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be sewing today Stock Giant Perfection mixed. All you need to do with these is make sure you fill your tray up to 3/4 of the height of the top. Fill with compost like so. Give it a good tap down, make sure it's firm. That's well done. Now let's open these. A second. Should get 125 seeds here, so I don't want to sew all these. As you can see, big enough seeds so you can see what you're doing. Make sure you spread them out nice and evenly, as evenly as you can. Once you've sowed them, these should flower this year. Give them a light covering, only a thin covering, just like 1/2 centimetre, a few mils. Once you've done that, you want to dampen the top of the compost slightly and then put them in the sink halfway up and water them from the bottom. When they're fully wet, take them out, put them on the windowsill and cover. The seedlings should appear anytime between 8 and 12 days, and they want to be kept at between 15 and 20 Celsius, so that's 68 Fahrenheit. As soon as the seedlings appear, remove the top like so and place them somewhere well lit so they don't get too leggy. So that's Stock Giant Perfection, how to sew. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, bye.